What up YouTube, Jade up here, and I'm back with another video. So this one's going to be kind of interesting because it's basically my buddy's idea who wanted to do this, but we are basically going to hook up a garage door opener to a Victory cross country. So the newer Indians and stuff, you can add a garage door opener per the factory unit on the bikes. So my buddy, he's building a garage, so he wanted to hook up one as well so he could open the garage door with a button on his bike. So this is how we're going to do it. Now I would imagine you could basically do this any way you want, but he basically just got a standard button. Now if you wanted to add multiple doors, I don't know, you'd have to do something different, but basically just a standard button here. And he bought some garage door openers. And what he's basically going to do is program this to the garage door opener, which we already did. So we already hooked this up to that, okay? And then he's going to solder wires on the inside computer board, which he's over there doing now, which I will show you when he gets back. And then we're going to have to hollow out a spot here for the wires to come out. And yeah. Now you can put this just about anywhere you want. We already took the front fairing off the cross country. And like I said, we've drilled a hole and we've already test fitted the button, which is fine. So this will be just kind of under here, nonchalant, not advertised, just there. And what we're gonna do is we'll put the button in here. It came with a little nut there. We'll tighten the nut down, obviously. Run the wire up through here to the leads here, and then what we're going to do is we're basically going to sandwich that like that in there with Velcro, so he could go ahead and come in through the headlight door here, take this out and change the battery when it's necessary. And yeah, in theory, he should have a garage door opener. So when he gets back, I'll show you what he did on the soldering. All right, guys, so he got done and he soldered that wire in there, drilled just a little bit of hole for some wire to come out, 2 wire, and basically screwed it into there. And there you go, bam. You got a button that opens the garage door or closes it. All right, that's all there is to it, sir. All right, guys, so that's going to basically wrap up the video. I mean, this mod can be pretty much done with any garage door opener for the particular garage door that you have and a button. Like I said, it's picker's choice. Ryan picked this stuff out. These were pretty cheap on Amazon. I think he has maybe 25 bucks in the whole thing. So, like I said, nice little mod if you want to just add a garage door opener that's a little bit nonchalant to your Victory cross country. I just wanted to show you how we did it, because I know there's some videos on here about guys on Harleys and stuff, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do it on a Victory. So, anyway, that's going to wrap this video up. If you have any comments, concerns, whatever, leave them down below. Try to get back to everybody in the comments that I can. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate everybody who's been subbing. Channel's growing. Let's keep that going. And yeah, like I said, I got a couple of videos coming up, guys, that I got planned for you. And so until next video.